Shagun, first half 4-0.
Yes, I know that miracle can still happen because this game, yes, I have 100% assurance that Man U can still equalize these 4 goals. Yes.
My people of the sports something, we still there, the Wesley Viewing Centre, where the castle between Manchester United and Liverpool, they take place already. As you see from our back here, the fans they around to make sure say they follow this castle. As it is so, already the fans don't full on ground, and of course both Liverpool fans and Manchester United fans, everybody believes said their own team now go win here today. But remember, last season Liverpool beat them 4-2. What I go feel repeat again this season? Only 90 minutes now go decide them, and the referee will go the middle for this one. Now the man where they call Anthony Taylor, and of course already full on ground. As I take talk and we dey inside Ogba. Remember say Wazobia and the fans now marriage we say they make for inside the heaven, and we dey here to make sure say we bring on all the excitement. Right here, Ogba people, we hail you. Manchester United, Liverpool, where your money dey?
My money dey for Man U. I play game, make Man U win, straight winning.
But you struggle against Atalanta for Champions League for midweek.
Talking about Atlanta, you know, Man U sometimes, most of the time, they do struggle against lower teams, not the big teams. If you look at their record last season, I think they win against big teams. They have points against Man City, Chelsea, all those people. So playing big team, I think I trust Man U.
Last season, Liverpool been beat Manchester United 4-2. What do they expect today for inside this game?
Of course, every game have its own spirit. So I definitely believe that there's a spirit behind each match, which every big team Man U meets, there's a tendency that Man U will definitely beat them.
Don't start Pogba today.
Looking at it, I think Man U want to play defensive game. So they prefer to play Tomney and Fred. So I think that is a very good lineup.
Team be say people wey we dey marry. So they go marry. Last season we beat them. Now for their turf we come for their pitch we beat them. This place in our training ground we go beat them again. So no two ways about it. We are going to go win.
What will be your prediction?
My prediction be 2-0.
In favor of Liverpool. You don't hear wetin the Liverpool fan talk. So wetin you feel today? How you go take be? Man U Liverpool.
Normally Man U they get issues with management, and but I believe say
you want tell us that they struggle.
Make I just put on with a partially struggle. But I get
struggle whether partial or not.
But I get full confidence say Liverpool no go come my own competition.
And Man U don't manage just 8 points from home this season. You still feel say something fit change today?
Despite the fact that Liverpool haven't lose any match, I believe today Man U is going to defeat them. And
what team is the scoreline?
2-1.
I think I'm seeing that ball 2-1 in favor of Man U.
In favor of Man U.
Of Manchester United.
For your mind.
I'm very confident.
I'm
very confident. Yeah.
All right. Yes, so don't be small, and of course, as soon as they look behind us, the fans they ginger for this castle between Manchester United and of course Liverpool. Already the lineups done day out, and most people they look the fact say Pogba no start this game. Instead, now Fred and of course the man that they call Bruno Fernandes now start this game. But whether Man U go fit conquer today for inside Old Trafford, I be waiting happen the other time where them Pogba them 4-2 go happen again. Now only time now go tell. Yes, I know this person, and of course, even as Manchester United fans, as they're not happy, Liverpool fans, then they're happy because it's not easy. First half 4-0, and who knows how second half go be. I get one Liverpool fan here. There's an Baba Liverpool. Baba Liverpool. What?
I'm happy that I'm winning Man U today. 4-0. So Liverpool fans and Liverpool fans. So it is. We are going higher now.
Second half go be.
Second half, they can score. They can win more than 1 goal. So let's put that for 1 goal for Man U. But this one have win already.
You see
Liverpool.
For second half.
Sorry.
More goals for Liverpool.
More goals for Liverpool. Yes. More goals. Maybe 1 or 2 goals with confidence.
Hey.
Have confidence.
Shagun, first half 4-0.
Yes, I know that miracle can still happen because this game, Yes, I have 100% assurance that Man U can still equalize these 4 goals. Yes.
I'm really happy about this match because I don't believe this. This was surprising me. And I'm sure we're going to win this league and this season.
We're not going to win league this season.
Yeah.
So as far as this game they're concerned now done and dusted for Liverpool. They don't win now.
It's the bonus
no
for us.
need to wala themselves.
No anything against Man U. It's just an small thing for us.
Gabriel, hope day.
Hope day.
Hope day. Yes. Wetin Ole Gunnar Solskjaer fit do differently from wetin he don do for this first half to make sure say that hope come.
He go make some changes.
Which kind changes?
Bring Cavani and Pogba to spread the ball.
Na Cavani and Pogba na dem go settle everything today.
Yes. It happened last year against Tottenham for Champions League. So we bring 2 people, they changed the match. We are going to do some changes in the second half, and I know that everything will be settled. Like of Paul Pogba, if Paul Pogba enter, I know that something can still change.
So apart from Paul Pogba, who you feel say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer fit still bring inside this game?
Edison Cavani, our striker. Though, to my own point of view, this coach is supposed to be sacked during the match. They're supposed to sack the coach. He's a rubbish coach. He's a failure. The coach is a failure. It's a failure. We just come here to come and play and watch ball. We just be watching rubbish. We'll be watching rubbish. It's not even entertaining at all.
Alright, so Man U fans, they they say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer supposed to don pack in Lodu and waka 4-0 for first half against Liverpool. Last season, them beat them for inside Old Trafford 4-2. The same Liverpool now beat them. And now Bros talk say they got to do it. He sack the Bros because he pay money. He say he pay money to come follow them, watch the game. And at the end of the day, first half 4-0. Bros, how second half go be? Prediction.
The prediction will be 4-4.
Be good to get hope. Be good to get hope. Oh? Take heart. At least for this first time, be good to get hope. All right, so my people don't be smart something. For my United fans, they still get hope. Hope. Now, one thing we say, what supposed to get for this match.